Will, how you doing?
Good, thanks.
Good, good. So you've come over from Ross Trevor Way to see us here at Prepare to Pass?
Yeah.
Excellent. So you've done some intensive training here to get ready for the driving test.
Mm-hmm.
Would you like to share with the other students what you found maybe before and when you came here?
Well, before, a lot of the driving instructors that I had were like telling me what I was doing wrong, but they wouldn't tell me how to fix it.
Right.
Yeah.
Bit hard to learn that way, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So what was the main difference then?
When you told me what I was doing wrong, you'd give me like heaps of different tips on how to fix it.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Isn't that what we're supposed to be doing?
Yeah.
Teaching how to drive and understand what you're doing incorrect and perhaps explaining.
Yeah.
So you made it, you found it was a huge help.
Yeah, definitely.
Fantastic, mate. Well, guess what? Yes, sir. There's the magic letter.
Yeah.
You're on your way.
Cheers.
Good on you, Will.
Thank you.
All the best, and yeah, send some of your mates over. Perhaps they'll have some better lessons too,
I
eh?
will. Yeah.
Excellent. All the best, mate.
You too.
See you, Will.
Thank you.